Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about strings. So what is a string? String is a data type used to store text data. Any sequence of characters written inside quotes is called a string. Okay. So string is used to store text data and any sequence of character which we store inside the quotes, that is called a string. String data type is represented by str. Okay. So let's see in Jupyter Notebook how to create a string. So let us create a markdown cell for string data type and execute it. Let's give it a markdown and then execute it. So let us see how we can create a string. So we learned we need to add quotes, and between the quotes we need to add the sequence of characters. So let's see, name equal to double quotes Python. Let's see another example. Name equal to city. So let's see, city equal to single quote Delhi. So string can be created by using double quotes or single quotes. Both are correct. We can have long messages also in the form of string. So let's see, welcome to Python. Right? So all these three variables are strings. So strings can be created using single quotes. It can be created using double quotes, and also it can be created using triple quotes. So let's see, if I give text equal to triple quotes, enter triple quotes. So between these triple quotes, I can add new lines also. So let's see, welcome to enter Python programming. So if I execute it, it's working fine. So string can be created either with single quote or double quote or using triple quotes. All the three are valid strings in Python. Now let us check the data type. Let us print the type. We learned in the previous tutorials that to find the data type of a variable, we need to wrap it inside the type function. So let's see, what is the data type of name? It's a string. Let's see what is the data type of city, which we created using single quotes. Again, string. Let's see what is the data type of text, which is created using triple quotes. String. So all three are string. Whether we create a string using single quote, double quote, or triple quote, it's all string, valid Python string. Now, let us learn about indexing in Python strings. So let us learn about indexing in strings. Okay. So each character in a string has an index number that starts from 0. So let us say if I create a string word which is having Python in it. So word is equal to double quotes Python, double quotes closed. So now every character in this string Python has an index number. Okay. So P has index number 0, Y has index number 1, T has index number 2, H has index number 3, O has index number 4, and N has index number 5. Okay. So we can access the characters in this string using the index number. Let us see. If we print word square bracket 0. So 0 represents the index number of P. So we should get P. So we get P. If we say 2, then we get T because T has the index 0, index 2. 0, 1, 2. 2 is the index number of character T. Now, this is about positive indexing. This is about positive indexing. But strings can also have negative indexes. So negative index starts from the extreme right. So if we say about negative index, so n has -1 as the index. O has -2. H has -3. T has -4. Y has -5. And P has -6. So if we use negative index, we will also get the characters of the string. So let's say I say word -1. I should get N. I'm getting N. If I say -3, I should get H because H has -3 as the index. So now we are clear about indexing in strings, whether it is positive indexing or negative indexing. Now let us learn about slicing. So let us learn about string slicing. String slicing. So slicing means extracting a portion of a string. So let's say we have the word Python, and if I want to extract a particular portion of this string, how will I do it? We will need to use string slicing. Let us see how it exactly works. So the syntax is the string. This can be the variable name, any variable name, or let us say string variable. String variable. We give the variable and we give square brackets start colon end. So start is the index of the character from which the slicing should start, and end is the index number of the character where the slicing should end. So let us see example how we will exactly use it. Let's say text is equal to Python programming. Now I have to extract the word Python from this variable text. So let's see. I know that in string slicing, I need to use the variable text, then add a square bracket, and I need to give the start index and the end index for slicing. So what is the start index of P? So in Python, the indexing starts from 0. So index of P is 0. This is clear. Now what is the index of N? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So index of N is 5. But since the end index is not included in slicing. So let's say if I give exactly 5 here and I try to execute, I will not get the letter N in the sliced string. Why? Because end index is not included. So to get the entire word Python in the sliced string, I will need to write 6. The index of nth character and plus 1. So 6. So 0 to 6. Now let us see one more example. If I execute it, Python. This is now let us see if I want to extract the word programming from the text. Let us give text. Now again the start index and the end index. So let us see what is the start index of P. This P 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is the start index. Now let us see what is the end index. So we need to find the index of G. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Since end index is not included, we will have to increment it by 1. So 17 plus 1, that is 18. Now let us execute. Wow, we got programming. So we are able to extract the substrings from this text variable based on the indexes. Now let us see one more important concept. Let's say we write 7 colon and we do not give the end index. If we don't give the end index, then it considers the entire string till the last character. So let us execute. So we gave 7. 7 is the index of P, but we did not mention the end index, right? So it took all the characters till the end of the string. Similarly, if we don't give the start character, so let's see, text colon and 6. If we don't give the start character, it will consider the index 0 and start slicing from index 0. So here we didn't give the start index, we gave only the end index. So started from 0 itself. Similarly, we can use negative indexing also in slicing. So let's say if I give -5, comma, -2. So we learn minus indexing starts from the end. So from here, -1 is 3, -2, n, -3, -4, -5, right? So this m is -5. So slicing starts from this character. Now what is -2? -1, -2. -2 is n, but n is not included because end index is not included in slicing. So it will slice till I. So if we execute it, we get, sorry, instead of semicolon, I wrote it comma. So we don't have to write comma, it's semicolon in slicing. Now, if we execute, we get MMI. So, negative indexing can also be used in string slicing. So in this video, we discussed what are Python strings, what is the data type used to represent the strings, how the strings can be created, that is using single quote, double quotes or triple quotes. In the next video, we will be discussing strings are immutable, and we will discuss why strings are called immutable in detail.